What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another video. Now today I am bringing you my choice for New World Cigar of the week, and this week it is the Alec Bradley Orchant Seleccion Skinny. This is a phenomenal 5x43 predominantly Nicaraguan cigar. I say that because it has a Nicaraguan filler and Nicaraguan wrapper. It has a Nicaraguan binder, but we also have added a second binder in there, which is a Honduran binder. Having two binders, what that actually does is slow the smoking time and slow that enjoyment time down for you. So it really gives the cigar time to complexify, those flavors massively develop. It's a beautiful, beautiful cigar. I've tried quite a few of these, but I'm going to talk you through the individual flavors as we move on. Definitely something you're going to want to pick up, but let's stop talking. Let's move on to the first third. So guys, I'm just into the first third of this cigar, just about making my way, about 3/4 of the way through. But I just wanted to let you know the flavors that I've been getting. There's a beautiful sort of stewed fruits, plum cake kind of notes, some real nice dark fruit notes that are coming through. There's a little bit of black pepper just on the finish, just on the roof of my mouth there, which I wasn't really expecting. It's been a while since I've had one of these, so I'm quite lucky that I do sample quite a few cigars, so it's always nice to come back to something you haven't tried for a while and just be surprised by something new that you kind of almost forgot wasn't there. Really, really enjoyable. Like I said, that smoking time, that enjoyment time is really slowed down. It's taken me a good sort of 20 minutes to get to this point. Beautiful draw. It's just really nice. I've gone for my signature V-cut on this. I tend to go for V-cuts on pretty much everything nowadays. I know that a lot of people will stand by the straight cut and they have their time and place, but for me a V-cut is just going to give you a little bit more airflow, a little bit more development, a little bit more flavour on the palate. Let's carry on. Let's see where the second third goes. See you in a second. So guys, I've just come into the middle third of the cigar. The fruity notes, those kind of stewed plums and those fruit cake notes have continued all the way through, but there's an earthy that's just come in, a very, very nice sort of almost damp earthy peatiness that's just come in, just on the finish more than anything. It's very nicely balanced against the sweetness. That double binder has really helped to slow that smoking time down. I'm about 35-40 minutes in at the moment on this one. Really, really enjoyable. There's a reason why I keep coming back to these, and it's definitely something you're going to want to keep in your humidor. Definitely something you want to pick up 3 or 4 of, maybe even 5, or even a box if we've still got them. I'm not sure whether we do. I'm going to carry on with this. Let's get the band off. Let's go into the final third and see what it's got. So guys, I've just come into the final third of this cigar. The flavors have really kind of intensified quite a lot. There's been a spiciness that's came through, almost like a cracked black pepper spice. It's just on the retrohale almost more than anything, and just on that initial kind of draw through. Beautiful. It's been balanced out with those earthy notes that came through in that middle third, and that continued fruit cake, plum, sort of stewed fruits, dark fruit sweetness that's carried on all the way through the cigar. Simply stunning. The draw's been impeccable. The construction's held incredibly well. All of that for under £10. What is there to lose? If you want to pick yourself up some of these, head over to the website right now. It's cigars.com. That's cigars.com. And if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let me know in the comment section what you'd like my next cigar of the week to be. We now have a Cuban cigar of the week, a New World cigar of the week, and a whiskey of the week, and I'm open to suggestions. I want to know what you guys want to see from me. Until next time, please take care of yourselves. Peace.